What's up, YouTube? Today I will be showing you how I got ungated in Nike. You can also use this guide to get ungated in other categories, such as Adidas, Under Armour, Jordan, and hundreds of more. But today we're going to focus on Nike. Uh, Before I get started, if you need help getting ungated in any other categories, I have a couple links below. Also, if you need help with online arbitrage and the business itself on Amazon, I also have a link to that. And let's go ahead. If you already know, you already know if you're ungated or not. So, but just in case, if you don't know, just verify that you still ungated before you go make a purchase, because you might find out that your account has been ungated. Sometimes um, you get lucky like that. So just go to your seller Amazon seller account and find the product that you want to get ungated in. Just make sure that it's still saying requires approval. Just make sure that once you do a submit, you ask for approval, that you're getting a approval request, a request and approval right here. So if you get this, then you're lucky, you're ungated automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. But unfortunately, if not, then you have to get ungated yourself, and that's what this course is about. And once you've made sure of that, then you can just go ahead to this website right here, Eastbay. Now, I personally use this company to get ungated in Nike for my account, so I know it works. Um, you can go to the website, make sure that you sign in with your Amazon seller mailing address and name, because that's going to be on the invoice when they send it, and it must match your information with your Amazon account. Here's some of the brands, other brands that they sell. You can take a look for it on your own time, but here's a look. Here's a list of them. So now, find the items. Just find you an item that fits your budget. Reminder that you gotta pay 10 of these, buy 10 of these, at least 10 of the item to get verified, to get ungated. So I bought a Nike armband, and it was like $7. But here's a headband for 12. Sometimes you can go to the sales and find something for cheaper than that. But the only thing about it is you want to make sure that the product that you buy is listed up under Amazon. So go back to your Amazon search account, look up the actual product, and make sure that you actually see listings for that. If so, then you can pretty much be safe to go ahead and make a purchase on that same order. Get your 10. Make sure that when you go to your cart, that it still has 10, because if once you get to your cart, it might change the quantity, and then you won't be able to make that purchase, because you need at least 10 of that item to submit your application. Now, another way you can go about this is go to their team sales page for a little bit of a discount. Give them a call. Basically, represent yourself as someone who's working with an organization, a church basketball team, a local basketball team, football team, or something or whatnot. And in my honest opinion, if you use this, I recommend that you donate those items to charity or to an actual local school team or something. So it won't be so bad that you use it this way just to get a little discount. But to each his own. And yeah, once you make that purchase, man, you just go ahead and get ready to submit your application. Now, I've talked to a lot of companies, and they once they get that invoice in their email, they'll go ahead and submit their request. Well, just the invoice that was emailed to them. Well, they don't even wait for the pictures. But anyway, you take a picture of that invoice. I wait till it come in the mail. Take a picture of that, scan it. However, get a document of that. Get your pictures when they come in the mail. Make sure you take a good quality pictures of the items. You know, because this is what's required via the application that it's saved. So whether you are submitted or not, you can submit an application more than one time. So whether you wait or not, then once they do come in, then go ahead and do it the right way. Submit those products, submit those photos and documents over, and then once you get once you submit it, then you'll get an email saying that you know we're we got your request, and once you get approved, they'll give you send you another email saying that you're approved. And you also can go to your Seller Central account and verify, check the status as well. So either way, once you're approved, you're approved. Only thing about East Bay is all of their products doesn't come from East Bay warehouse. Some of the products come from their third party companies like Foot Locker and Champs, I think. And those, if you get a product from there, then you might have issues when you submit your application because they don't send you an invoice. And so you want to make sure that the products that you purchase are coming from the East Base warehouse, and they'll send you an invoice, and you won't have no issues getting submitted. And the only way you can verify this, unfortunately, is after you purchase the product. I talked to the customer service, and they said the only way you can really know this is once you purchase that product, you will get an email, and it will have some type of wording in that email saying that your products are being shipped from the third party facility or something like that. But you can call them up yourself and ask them. But I wouldn't be. I wouldn't try to call. I don't suggest calling because it'll be. Sometimes it could lead to issues where they don't want to deal with resellers, and we don't want. We don't want to. We don't want that to happen from others trying to get Ungated. When we all in here to make money, right? So just stick to the basics. Like I said, I bought a I bought a Nike wristband. This is the actual Nike wristband that I bought. About 10 of those for $7. That was $7 at the time I purchased them, and I just sold them locally for like $1 or $2, and but I got engaged in Nike, so you reap your rewards, if that's the correct way of saying it, when you once you get engaged and able to make money selling those products, especially if you already have inventory or have a legitimate source to purchase your Nike and other brand products from. But yeah, that's it. Like I said, there's links below if you need help getting Ungated in other categories. I have a couple of ebooks as well as a link to a company that can help you pretty much get Ungated in any other category, them hard to categories, and them hard to brands as well, because those niche brands are the really tough ones, and there's not a lot of information of that out there. I tried searching, but it's thousands and thousands of brands. So whichever one you come across and need help with, just think about that link, and maybe they can help you out a little bit better than I can. But if you also want to take advantage of starting out doing online arbitrage, I have a link to a guy who's phenomenal with that as well, going through the online arbitrage process. And that's just simply staying home, finding products on the internet and purchasing from the internet. Show you how to get discounts so you can get the price for the lowest using coupons and whatnot. And I believe he also has tutorials on the actual Amazon business itself and a little bit about store arbitrage. But I know he's a master in online arbitrage. But anyway, if you like what you have seen, if I can help you out in a bit, feel free to like or just send a comment or whatnot, and I'll probably add more depending on the feedback. Thanks.